Hi everyone, Archana here. I am back with another flower which called daisies. They are so pretty. You can see I am so very happy looking at them. They looks very real, and I have made a couple of small birds, cute birds here. And this backing, I just want to mention I did use this our McGill punch, which is a star flower punch, which I also for my flower backing. Uh, and all these flowers were made with our retro punch. So I hope you will like these flowers, and I'll try my best to give you a very simple easy tutorial. So let's get started. So our usual tools, our very favorite one and only, they are retro punches, and I have in a little bit larger size than this one. This is 1.5 and this is 2 inches. This one is easily available in the stores, but these are discontinued. So if you don't have these, you need to find out online if somebody is selling them, or maybe the smallest sizes are still available in the stores. I have already punch outs here, and we also need some glue, water spray bottle, and one more thing, I am using these pre-leaves. These are pre-leaves, and they are so cute. I have in a brown color and in an orange yellowish color, so I mixed them together. Since these flowers has the particular center which has these two colors mostly included. Sometimes these flowers has little bit greenish pollens in their center. So what we need to do, very simple technique, just need to cut it in a 3 part each petal. One, two, three. So make a 2 slits or 2 cuts on each petal like this. And while we are making these petals, we are giving them a shape. So this middle shape, you can see it's almost straight. So if you are very particular about your petal shape, you need to cut them like this, like in a actual petal shape, but I'm not bothering at all. So I'm just using as it is, and I'll show you how I'm going to use it. So I have these two shapes already cut out. So what we'll need to do, just spray generous amount of water. Since I'm again using these, so I'm using these watercolor papers as I showed in my last video. So these papers need little more water since they are very thick. That's it. And excess water you can always just wipe it like that. Okay, and then we need to use some colors on our flowers. So our color is today this yellow. Since these daisies are mostly in yellow color, you can use your own choice of colors, pink, blue, whatever color you want. So take your dauber and just color it in the middle. If you want your flower whole in yellow color, then either get yellow paper or just color it all the way to the end of this each and every petal. So I'm just giving a little touch of yellow in the center mostly. And then what I'm going to do, take your petal and then just pinch all the tips like that. Just pinch them. Okay, very easy. So pinch this one little bit more, since the middle petal is very big and it has that very straight edge. So just make sure pinch it very close with your nails or anything sharp, tweezer if you have, like this. I hope you got it. So just need to pinch it. Sorry, my fingers are very colorful today. They look so yucky since I was coloring something with the black color and it almost went in my nail and it's not coming off. So I'm so sorry for this. And we need to make this procedure for all our. Right now your petal looks like this one, and we are going to shape it on our mat. Just get the tool, shaping tool, and from the top to the middle just drag it inside, so you will get this shape automatically. If you drag it very hard, your petal get more dense, more into the middle. So we will use this one as a first petal, and the bottom petal we will make it more flat. So this is how your petal will look like. Quickly we will make our remaining two petals. So as I am giving a shape to these petals, I just found out for the middle petal, if you just bend it behind those two sharp corners, then that will look so good. Just like that. I hope you got it. Just bend it behind instead of pinching just this sharp top. These two petals you can pinch it as per you want, but this middle petal, if you just, you can see, if you just get these two corners back and pinch it, it will be easy. I hope you got it like that. Okay, so this is our last petal, and we'll give the shape to this. And one more thing I forgot to mention, before making this in very dense cup shape, we will just flat a little bit first, and then get your these frillies, get your glue, put it on the center, and the center is really wide for the mums, so just put the glue on whole this area, the center part. Okay, and then we will just dip it in there. Pretty simple. And you can adjust your frillies, get it all in the center. So that's what this glue is, perfect, all liquid glue. Hot glue will not work well if you want to adjust them. If you are doing very fast, then that's okay, but I always prefer this fabric tag glue or any kind of liquid glue. And now you can just make a shape as per you want, and get your these two also, two petals, and we need to stick them alternately. You can see this big gap, right? Our 5 petal original gap. So in this gap we need to just keep this whole petal, like to hide that gap. You know already, I mean. So just that's it, and then middle center one. And you can use as many petals as you want. It's not like you just want to use 3. If you like bulky flowers, go ahead and use few more petals. But for me, 3 are more than enough. So these are our mums ready for our project. Alright. So I hope you found this video very helpful, and I will see you on next Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.